Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Here today with a Celsius Network update. So, April 28th, late in the day, I deposited money into my Celsius account network. Alright? One of them failed. One of them went through. I'm not sure why the other one failed. But you saw it was the 28th. And I just got credit for it today. Alright? You can see here, May 5th. It's confirmed. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but now 0.19544 ETH is worth $669.26. So, when I made the deposit, let's go back and look, was worth $564.60. So, they actually made the deposit on the day that I requested, and Ethereum has gone nuts since then. And they gave me the good price, and they credited it to my account on that day that I bought it, which in this case is good. Ethereum's been going up recently, so that's a good thing. But if it was going down, I wouldn't be very happy about it. But I am very happy about it, so it's a good deal. So it's going to add to my interest that I'm going to make. Interest is still holding steady, 5.05% APY, along with capital appreciation. So you can't beat that. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think of the Celsius network. I know I'm not eligible to own the Celsius token, the CEL token, because I'm a U.S. resident. So that's unfortunate. Hopefully they're going to fix that soon. But other than that, this seems like a great platform to earn interest on without staking. And here's the rest of the available coins. And they got some pretty good rates. They got Bitcoin, 6.2%. That's pretty good. And from what I can tell, there is no cap on the rate you can earn on Bitcoin. So BlockFi, a little disappointed with BlockFi. I don't know if you guys saw my other video. They really capped out their rates. Maybe I'll do a separate video on that. So I'm not so happy with them. But it's okay. I don't have huge amounts of money in there. So maybe I'll make another video on that. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing the BlockFi thing. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. They got some pretty good rates in here. One of the rates that I was kind of disappointed in is, if I could find it again, I saw Mana was in here, which is good that they even pay any interest. There it is, Mana, but it's only 2%. It's like, wow, that's it? Come on. You gotta pay more than that. So, I don't know. Seems like for some things they're good, like Polygon, Matic. That's a pretty good rate. You can't beat that. But it's really expensive to transfer stuff on that network and Ethereum. Ethereum gas fees are super high. Once Ethereum 2.0 kicks in, it's going to be a lot better. At least I hope. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think about these rates. Thinking about moving some of my crypto over here. I think it seems pretty safe, and I'm pretty happy with the way things are handled. I wasn't too happy with the code that I used. They didn't honor it because it expired before my deposit was in, because it took so long. I didn't think it was going to take a week, so I should have started it sooner. Anyway, that's all I have for now. Let me know what you guys think. I'm really bullish on Ethereum. I think Ethereum, it could be, I don't know what the limit is, maybe 5,000. There's a lot of good things going on. I would say 5,000 by the end of the year. Maybe more. It's pretty good. It's a very bullish trend. The analysis that I've seen is pretty good. Alright, guys. Make sure you subscribe for Celsius Network updates, crypto news, and daily options trade, wealth building techniques. Remember, like this video so we can get the word out there on the Celsius. Thanks for watching. Oh, and if you want my Celsius code, it's below. You can get a free $40 from Celsius. Signing up with that. It's a really good. Just one tip. Make sure you do the deposit right away because it takes like over a week. The initial deposit. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching.